Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss how to use a Samsung washing machine top loader. So, first thing is to do, you can simply switch on the power board and then make sure that the power outlet is working correctly. After that, you will see here a power button. Simply click on it to switch on the washing machine. After that, open the cover and here dip your all the clothes. And then also add a detergent in a detergent box. After that, close the cover. After closing, you will simply select the function, like if you want only wash, if you want only rinse and spin, you can select by using a function key. Or if you want all of these, like first they automatically wash your clothes and then rinse and then automatically spin to dry your clothes. After that, click on start button to start the washing machine automatically. Also, you can click on the cycle button to exchange the water cycles, like right now is a default on normal. You can also use quick wash, delicate, soak normal and many more. And then click on start button to start the washing machine. And after that, you will see here they mention a timer. And then wait for the timer to end to wash your clothes and then switch off your washing machine and that's it. You will now learn how to use a Samsung washing machine top loader. Good. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Goodbye.